Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Yazio and you will click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.